Scene 1. The Silent Town Mystery. In the heart of the Seychelles, a town that once hummed with life is now reduced to an eerie silence. Scene 2. Reports from travelers. Visitors often tell tales of walking through the empty streets, feeling watched when no one is there. Scene 3. Strange whispers. At night, the town buzzes quietly with sounds just beyond the edge of perception, as if the air itself were whispering. Scene 4. An old journal is found, recounting stories of unexplained disappearances and shadowy figures that lurk just out of sight. Scene 5. Locals refuse to speak of it. Only the elders with tired eyes hint at an ancient curse that silenced the town. Scene 6. A researcher decides to stay overnight, hoping to uncover the truth behind the tales. Scene 7. As midnight approaches, the atmosphere thickens with a palpable tension, as if the town itself is holding its breath. Scene 8. The researcher hears whispers, but no one is around. Whatever entity dwells, it holds the true story of the lost souls. Final scene. The next morning, all evidence of the researcher is gone. The curse lives on, the silence a testament to voices that will never be heard.